Okay, now we start the test. So tell me which letter I should click. So when I click, you have to guess the word that will be shown on this screen. Okay? Okay, let's start. Tell me which letter should I click? 36. Okay. Okay, now guess. Very good. Very nice. Okay, next. Which letter? 19. Okay, pronounce this word. Dal do pesh dun. You have to perform gunna here. Yes, very good. Okay, next. 3. It's easy. Okay, yes. Okay, next. 47. Okay, now. And you know these are huruf leen. Okay, I told you that waw sakin before it's zabar. It's called huruf leen. So now pronounce it. Very good. Okay, tell me next word. 60. I think it's easy for you. Stretch little bit because you know it's ulta pesh. Hamza ulta pesh. Ooh, little bit stretch it. Yes. Okay, tell me next. 29. Pronounce and tell me how it become in waqf condition. Ba'du, it's actual, but when you break your breath here, how will you recite? Yes, ba'd. Dal will be sakin in waqf condition.